Hi, my name is Khairul Amirin bin Norazri and I'm gonna start the presentation now. So for this group project, we have to select an EV vehicle and discuss its related maintenance and service for its powertrain system service. For our group, we have decided to choose the Tesla Model 3 as our project. First, I will explain the introduction. Tesla Model 3 is a sedan electric vehicle that comes with 4 doors that designed with both stylish and practical. That this vehicle can travel up to 576 kilometers with a single charge, which makes the vehicle can handle long trips and for daily use. Not only that, the vehicle also comes with cutting-edge technologies that offers various features such as large touchscreen display and voice-active command. These features make it easy for drivers to stay connected and in control while driving. To wrap up this introduction, Tesla Model 3 is an excellent choice as it offers advanced features and capabilities that are suitable for long trips and daily usage. Thank you. So let's move to the next part. So let's talk about the objective. The objective is that to ensure the battery is functioning properly and efficiently. Secondly, to make sure the motor is in a good condition as it's responsible to powering the vehicle. Thirdly, to ensure the vehicle cooling system is working well, hence the temperature of the battery and electric motor in a good condition. Lastly, to assure the software is up to date so it's running smoothly and efficiently. So that's all for the object. The scope of study for the Tesla Model 3 is broad and encompasses a wide range of topics related to the vehicle. Some of the key areas of study for the Tesla Model 3 is the design and engineering of the vehicle, including its electric powertrain, battery, and the regenerative braking system. Second, the safety features and driver assistance technologies that are included in the vehicle, such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Thirdly, the environmental impact of the vehicle, including in energy efficiency, carbon footprint, and overall sustainability. Fourth, the economics of electric vehicles, including cost of ownership, charging infrastructure, and government incentive. So lastly, the experience of owning and operating a Tesla Model 3, including factors such as range anxiety, charging habit, and overall satisfaction while using the vehicle. That's all, and let's move to the last part. So let's move to the last part of introduction. Type of electric vehicle. Electric vehicles are increasingly popular mode of transportation lately. It runs on electricity instead of gasoline like a normal ICE engine. They offer several benefits over traditional gasoline engine, including lower emissions, reduced fuel costs, and improved energy efficiency. There are several types of EV available on the market today which come with their own unique characteristics. For instance, Tesla Model is an example of BEV. That's it, battery electric vehicle. So here is the explanation and list of the electric vehicle. First one is BEV, that stands for battery electric vehicle. These electric vehicles are powered by electric engine and doesn't have any combustion engine. They are charged by plugging the vehicle into an electric outlet or in any charging stations. Usually, BEV that fully charged can travel up to 500 kilometers with a single charge. Next one is plug-in hybrid vehicle. This type of electric vehicle have both battery and gasoline engine in it. They can be charged by plugging into an electric outlet or in charging station, but it also can run on gasoline if the battery run out of charge. PHEV usually have a shorter electric range than BEV, but still can provide significant fuel savings compared to normal gasoline engine. And the third one is HEV, that stands for hybrid electric vehicle. This vehicle have an electric motor and gasoline engine, but the battery is charged by regenerative braking rather than being charged. HEV usually have a shorter electric-only range than PHEV or BEV, but still can provide fuel efficiency compared to normal gasoline vehicle. And for the last one is FCEV, that stands for fuel cell electric vehicle. This vehicle use a fuel cell to generate electric from hydrogen, which is then used to power an electric motor. FCEV emits only water vapor and have a longer range than BEV. But currently, due to lack of hydrogen fueling infrastructure, this vehicle is rarely used by the company. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Yusmal Akib bin Kamal. I would like to continue the slide with methodology Tesla Model 3. As we all know, one of the key advantages of electric car is that they require less maintenance than vehicle powered by gasoline or petrol. The main reason for this is how few moving components electric vehicles have. As an electric vehicle, the Tesla Model 3 has specific maintenance and service requirements. There are some of the common maintenance tasks and services executed with the Tesla Model 3. In this slide, I will give you 7 of the maintenance tasks and services. First thing first, we have regular inspection. Tesla recommends regular inspection to ensure the optimal performance of the Model 3. This inspection typically covers the vehicle's battery, tires, brakes, suspension, and other essential components. Next, tire maintenance. Regular tire rotation and inspection are necessary to promote even wear and extend tire life. It is important to maintain proper tire pressure as specified by Tesla for optimal performance and energy efficiency. Tesla recommends that customers change their tires every 10,000 km or when the difference between front and rear tire tread depth reaches 2/32 inches or more. Other than that, brake fluid replacement. Tesla recommends replacing the brake fluid every 2 years to maintain braking performance. Next, cabin air filter replacement. The cabin air filter should be replaced periodically to ensure clean air circulation within the vehicle's cabin. The frequency of replacement may vary depending on the driving condition and air quality. The recommended cabin air filter replacement is every 2 years. Next, we have high efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filter maintenance. If Model 3 is equipped with a HEPA filter, it is recommended to replace it periodically for improved air quality within the cabin. The frequency of replacement may depend on the driving condition and air quality. Tesla recommends replacement is every 3 years. Other than that, we have software update. The Tesla frequently release software update that include new features, bug fixes, and performance enhancement. It is important to regularly update vehicle software to ensure the latest improvement and optimization. Lastly, we have battery maintenance. The Model 3's battery system is designed to require minimal maintenance. However, it is essential to follow Tesla guidelines for charging and discharging the battery to maximize its longevity. The next slide, it is theoretical study on the selected part. The Tesla Model 3's battery system is a key component of the electric vehicle, providing the energy required for propulsion. The Tesla Model 3 is equipped with a lithium-ion battery pack, which is the most common type of battery technology used in electric vehicles. The exact specification of the Model 3 battery may vary depending on the variant and the year of production, as Tesla continuously works on improving its battery technology. The following is the basis of the battery system found on the Tesla Model 3. Battery chemistry. The Tesla Model 3 is likely use a lithium-ion battery cells. These cells consist of positive, which cathode, and negative, which are anode electrodes, separated by an electrolyte and a separator. The specific composition and chemistry of the battery cells may vary, as Tesla has been working on developing its own battery technology, including advancement in cell chemistry and manufacturing process. This slide, if you can see here in the table, there are a lot of types of battery capacity depending on the model year of the Tesla Model 3. The energy capacity of the Model 3's battery pack is typically measured in kilowatt hours. The base model of the Model 3 was initially available with a battery pack around 50 to 55 kilowatt hour, while the long-range variant have larger battery pack ranging from 60 to 75 kilowatt hour. However, Tesla has introduced different battery options over time.
Literature review. This literature review explores about Tesla Model 3 system architecture and main components. The review will apply the working principle of System EV Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 is an electric car produced by American automaker Tesla. It is a battery-powered four-door sedan that is marketed in a more compact executive segment. For the system architect and main component, in 2013, design chief Franz von Holzhausen said that the Model 3 will be an Audi A4, BMW 3 Series, Mercedes-Benz C-Class type of bicycle that will offer everything. That means range, portability, and performance that is targeted towards the mass market. After the final design of the first Model 3, any further change will be included in future version of the Model 3. The optional glass roof developed by Tesla Glass will be made of the same glass used for Tesla roof tiles, and glass roof was introduced on the model since late 2016. Performance, long range, and standard plus are the three different automobile types offered by Tesla Model 3. Dual motor and four-wheel drive are features of performance and long-range bicycles. The Standard Plus is a rear-wheel drive bicycle with a single motor. The powertrain configuration is given below. The bicycle is powered by high-performance electric motor that delivers quick acceleration and impressive range. The picture shows that the powertrain of Tesla Model 3 Standard Plus in the left, also performance and long range in the right. Working principle Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 is an electric car that has been designed to be both efficient and environmentally friendly. The working principle of the Tesla Model 3 is based on the use of electric motors and batteries. The Tesla Model 3 is powered by lithium-ion battery pack that is located beneath the floor of the car. This battery pack is made up of thousands of individual cells that are connected together to provide a high voltage and high capacity power source. The battery pack is charged using a charging port that is located on the side of the car. The electric motor in the Tesla Model 3 is located between the rear wheels of the car. The motor is connected to the battery pack and is controlled by a power electronics module. The power electronics module regulates the flow of electricity from the battery pack to the motor, controlling the speed and torque of the motor. When the driver presses the accelerator pedal, the power electronics module sends a signal to the motor to start spinning. The motor then turns the wheel of the car, propelling it forward. The faster the driver presses the accelerator pedal, the faster the motor speed, and the faster the car goes. The Tesla Model 3 also features negative braking, which helps to recharge the battery pack while the car is slowing down. When the driver applies the brake, the power electronic module sends a signal to the motor to slow down. As the motor slows down, it generates electricity, which is then sent back to the battery pack to recharge it. Maintenance costs for Tesla Model 3. Owning a Tesla Model 3 is a thrilling experience, but it is important to consider the cost of maintenance. Fortunately, Tesla electric bicycles are designed to require less maintenance than traditional gasoline-powered cars, which can save you money in the long run. The cost of maintenance for Tesla Model 3 is relatively low compared to other luxury bicycles. Additionally, Tesla offers a 4-year or 50,000 mile limited warranty that covers repairs and replacement for any defect in material or workmanship. One of the bigger advantages of owning a Tesla Model 3 is the lack of the traditional engine components such as oil change and transmission repair. This means you won't have to worry about costly engine repair or replacing parts like spark plug, belts, and filter. This table shows the maintenance service for scheduled maintenance in UK.
My name is Muhammad Zulkarnain and I will continue about advantage and disadvantage of electric vehicle. First, economy friendly. Electric vehicles do not utilize fuel of combustion. There are no emission or gas exhaust. Second, renewable energy sources. Electric vehicles run on renewable power, where conventional automobiles function on the combustion of fossil fuel, which reduce the world of fossil fuel stock. Next, less noise and smooth motion. Driving an electric car is significantly smooth because the like fast-moving element, they are quieter and produce less noise. Cost effective. Electricity is far less expensive than fuels such as gasoline and diesel, which are subject to reduced price increases. When solar electricity is utilized at home, battery recharging is most effective. Next, low maintenance. Because electric cars have fewer move components, wear and tear is reduced when compared to traditional auto parts. Repair are also simple and less expensive than combustion engine. And last, for the advantage, government support. Government throughout the world have greater tax break and encourage people to drive electric vehicle as part of a green program. Okay, next, this is the disadvantage of electric vehicle. High initial cost. High initial costs. Electric vehicles continue to be quite expensive, and many buyers believe they are not as inexpensive as traditional automobiles. Next, charging station limitation. People who need to travel long distance are considered about find adequate charging station in middle of the journey, which are not always accessible. Next, recharge take time. Unlike conventional automobile, which require only a few minutes to replenish the gas tank, charging an electric vehicle take many hours. Next, limitation option. Currently, there are many electric car models to pick from the term of appraisal, style, or customized variation. And the last, less drive range. When compared to conventional automobile, electric vehicles have a short driving range. Electric can electric car can be convention of short distance travel, but are inconvenient of for long distance travel. For the conclusion, electric vehicles have a huge potential to become the mode of transportation of the future, while also saving the Earth from the impending tragedies caused by global warming. In comparison to conventional vehicles, which are directly relying on the depending fossil fuel reserve, they represent a flexible option. The article covers a wide range of topics related to electric vehicles, including their many configurations, power source, charging methods, and mode of control. Each section is important technology have been explained, and their potential have been provided. Electric vehicles have a wide range of implementation across wide range of industry, and the most potential, they must contribute to a clean, cleaner and green energy system through collaboration with smart grid and the integration of renewable sources have been highlighted. The limitation of contemporary electric vehicles have been identified as well as potentially limited to this possible. The most up-to-date, optimized and controlled algorithms have been added as well. Finally, the funded of the article consolidated the entire text, offering a clear image of the EV section. EV sector, as well as the area in require additional investigation and future research.